The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, is one of the most spectacular natural phenomena that can be observed in the northern parts of the world. Norway, particularly its northern regions, offers some of the best opportunities to witness this mesmerizing light show. This report provides a detailed overview of the Northern Lights in Norway, including where and when to see them, the science behind the phenomenon, and tips for maximizing your viewing experience. What are the Northern Lights? The Northern Lights are natural light displays predominantly seen in high-latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic. These lights are caused by the interaction between the solar wind and the Earth's magnetosphere. The science behind the Northern Lights, solar wind. The sun emits a continuous stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. Magnetosphere interaction. When these particles reach Earth, they interact with the magnetosphere, the protective magnetic field surrounding our planet. Atmospheric reaction. The charged particles collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, causing them to emit light. This light is what we observe as the Northern Lights. Best time to see the Northern Lights in Norway. The Northern Lights can be seen in Norway primarily during the winter months when the nights are long and dark. Optimal months. The best time to see the Northern Lights in Norway is from late September to early April. Peak viewing times. The peak viewing period is typically between 6 p.m. and 2 a.m. Weather conditions. Clear skies are essential for observing the Northern Lights. Cloud cover can obscure the view, so checking the weather forecast is crucial. Best locations in Norway to see the Northern Lights. Northern Norway is renowned for its excellent viewing spots. Here are some of the best locations. Tromsø, often referred to as the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø is one of the most popular destinations for Northern Lights enthusiasts. Its location above the Arctic Circle provides ample opportunities for viewing. Lofoten Islands. Known for their dramatic scenery, the Lofoten Islands offer stunning backdrops for the Northern Lights. Alta, also known as the City of the Northern Lights, Alta has a long history of aurora research and offers great viewing spots. Svalbard, located far north in the Arctic Ocean, Svalbard offers unique opportunities to see the Northern Lights even during the daytime in the polar night period. Tips for viewing the Northern Lights. To maximize your chances of witnessing the Northern Lights, consider the following tips. Plan ahead. Research the best times and locations for viewing. Use apps and websites that provide Northern Lights forecasts. Stay flexible. Weather conditions can change rapidly, so be prepared to move to different locations if necessary. Dress warmly. Winters in northern Norway can be extremely cold. Dress in layers and bring appropriate winter gear to stay warm. Be patient. The Northern Lights are a natural phenomenon and can be unpredictable. Patience is key, and sometimes it takes several nights to see them. Photography tips. Use a tripod for steady shots. Set your camera to a high ISO. Use a wide-angle lens, and set a long exposure time to capture the lights effectively. The cultural significance of the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights have fascinated people for centuries and hold significant cultural importance in many indigenous cultures in the Arctic regions. Sami culture. In the Sami culture of northern Norway, the Northern Lights are believed to be the souls of the departed. They hold a deep spiritual significance and are often incorporated into Sami art and storytelling. Myths and legends. Various myths and legends surround the Northern Lights.